Hello everyone, welcome back to Concept Brunch with Riddhi. Today we will solving exercise 5.1, question 1 from chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. I will also share some practical tips to help you solve AP problems effortlessly and score high in your exam. So stay tuned till end, grab your notebook and let's get started on the exciting journey. Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression, exercise 5.1, question number 1. So in this question we have to find in which of the following situation does the list of the number involved make arithmetic progression and why. Okay, so we have to find out. So to understand about the arithmetic progression or AP, so we have to define it. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term, right? For example, let's write the general form. Suppose the first term is A and the common difference is D. So the first term we can write A, second term we can write A plus D, third term you can write A plus 2D, fourth term we can write A plus 3D and so on. This is the way we have to write the answer. Okay. So for the first question, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 for each of the additional kilometer. So taxi for 1 kilometer is rupees 15. That we can consider as a A1. Okay. That is 15. Further, this is for first kilometer, right? For the second kilometer, what we can do? We can add the 8 additional. So A2 will be what? 15 plus 8, that we can write rupees 23, that is A2. Similarly, for the 3 kilometer, what we can write? That is A3, we can write 15 plus 8 plus 8. Or we can write 15 plus 2 times of 8, right? That is rupees 31, that is A3, right? So, and you can see here, A3 minus A2, that is 31 minus 23, that is going to be 8. Similarly, A2 minus A1, that is again 23 minus 15, that is 8 again. Every time the difference is same. So this is the form of an AP. The first term is 15 and the common difference is 8, right? This is our second question. The amount of the air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So what is the known part here? The amount of air present. And we have to find whether it is a arithmetic progression or not. Okay. So what you will do first? Let the amount of air in the cylinder is equal to what? X. After first time removal, what it's saying? 1/4 of the remaining. So what is right now? X. And 1/4 removed, right? It removes 1/4. So remove the 1/4 part. Okay. So it is X minus X by 4. That is 3X by 4. Second removal. Just understand the thing. Okay. What is that? Whatever in the cylinder at a time. So what is now right now? 3X minus 4 is there right now, right? So 3X minus 4 is remaining. And removes 1/4. So removes the 1/4 of the remaining. Is that okay? So it will be 3X by 4 minus, it will be what? 16 and 3X, correct? So what we can write? We can solve. We can take an LCM. 16, what is going to be? 12X minus 3X, and this is going to be 9X over 16. Now, after that third time removal, what is that? What is the remaining now? Right now, cylinder at a time. What is that? 9X by 16, right? So write the 9X by 16, which is right now, and removes how much? 1/4. So 1/4 of the remaining. So 9X by 16. You can solve it this one. Take an LCM. So it's 16, 9X. This is going to be how much? 9X divide with what? 64, right? Take an LCM. So 64 is an LCM. So we can multiply 4. That is 36X minus 9X, which we can write 27x divided with 64. From here, the a1 is what? X. a2 is what? 3x divided with 4. a3 is what? 9x over 16. a4 is what? 27x divided with 64. Now if we'll find a2 minus a1, that is 3x divided with the 4 minus x. That will be what? 3x minus 4x divided with the 4, that is minus x divided with the 4. Similarly, let's find a3 minus a2. So 9x divided with 16 minus 3x divided with the 4, correct? So what you'll get it? You'll take 16 as a LCM. 9x minus, what is that? Minus 12x, that is minus 3x over 16. Can we see these and these are not same? It means the D is not equal. If D is not equal means it's not an AP. So this is not an AP. Okay. Third question. The cost of digging a well after every meter is digging when it cost is rupees 150 for the first meter. Okay. And rises by 50 meters subsequent. Okay. So the known part here, the cost of the digging, right? For every meter. Right. So we have to find whether it's arithmetic progression or not, right? The cost of digging the well after 1 meter, that is what? Rupees 150, correct? After 2 meter, what we can say? 50 rupees subsequent, right? So we can write 150 plus 50, that is rupees 200, correct? Okay, so this we can say as a A1, this we can say as a A2, correct? After 3 meter, it will be what? 150 plus 50 plus 50, or 2 times 50 also we can say. So this will be what? Rupees 250. This will be A3. Okay. Now from here, A2 minus A1, that is going to be 200 minus 150, that is going to be rupees 50. Similarly, A3 minus A2, that is going to be 250 minus 200, and that is rupees 50 again. So here we can say the D here and the D here is same, correct? So we can say it is a arithmetic progression. So the A is here is 150 and the D here is 50 is the answer. You can mention the rupees here and rupees here as well. Okay, perfect answer. This is the fourth question. The amount of money in the account every year is 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest 8% per annum. So this is given as a P. This is compound interest at 8%, that is R, per annum, that is N equal 1. So we know the amount of money, right? And the rate of interest. So how to find out the amount? We can find out the amount P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. Okay. So for the first year, we can find A1, that is 10,000 1 plus 8 divided with 100 to the power 1, right? We can take an LCM. So 10,000, we can write 108 divided with the 100, right? So we can write 10,000 1.08 to the power 1 basically, right? For the second year, what we can write? A2, that is 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 2, right? So we can write here what? 10,000 108 divided by 100 to the power what? 2. So basically 10,000 1.08 to the power 2, correct? Similarly, third year, A3 is equal to 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 3, correct? So it will be 10,000 108 divided by 100 to the power 3, correct? So this is 10,000 1.08 to the power 3. So basically this is A1, this is A2, and this is A3. Clearly we can say the A2 minus A1, which is equal to the difference, is not equal to A3 minus A2, correct? Because why? Because if we'll take a difference here, the 102 is remaining, right? You can check it here, 10,000, right? 1.08, correct? Square minus 10,000 1.081. This is this part, correct? If you take a common here also, what you will get it? 10,000 is common, 1.08 is common. What is remaining? 1.08 minus of 1, right? That is 10,000 1.08 times of 0.08, correct? For the second half, A3, that is 10,000. So what is the common in these two? 1.08 square is common. What is the remaining? 1.08 minus 1, right? So 10,000 1.08 times of, this is square here, and 0.08. If you see, this should be, this part is 1 here, right? And this part here is a square. So these are not equal. So this is not an AP form, right? Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, stay confident, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Concept Branch with Riddhi.